good evening to you. This is Latika Shami from Press Legend 24.online. Today is an important day and known as Parakram Divas as well as a day of valor. Why it is said? Because today a huge legend named Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd of January 1897. He is also known as Netaji. A nickname is also been given to him known as Netaji. Why I am saying this, today is an important day because when it comes to give me blood, I will give you freedom is a well-known phrase said by Subhash Chandra Bose sir. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. ये बहुत बड़ी बात सुभाष चंद्र बोस द्वारा की गई थी. He was a person who had taken constitution in a very important manner. He had taken rights of Indian people in a very important manner. He went to England for his studies. He got distinction in a very initial stage. But when it comes to nationalism, when it comes to country, he had proved that patriotism is one of the key tool for the people of India. He also joined Indian National Congress in the year 1921 and he became a president of National Congress, Indian National Congress in 1938. He married also and with Mrs. Emily and has a very beautiful daughter. But when it comes to patriotism, I would like to tell all my viewers as well as whoever is looking me in India, all over India as well as abroad, today is an important day for Subhash Chandra Bose ji. As we give and pay tribute to Subhash Chandra Bose sir, that as a legend he was born for the country and as he said that I am going to give my life for patriotism, for country is well known fact for Subhash Chandra Bose. Our Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, had also paid tribute as well as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has also paid tribute and given thanks to the legend named Subhash Chandra Bose for his remarkable work. And the Prime Minister of India also said his work is unparalleled. His work is unparalleled is well said by Honorable Prime Minister of India. So, today is a remarkable day. I tell all my viewers that never forget